What's going on, pals? Thanks for watching our video. This is Marvel, this is Capcom. I'm Jason, aka the Palmeister. This is what we're going to be building this video. It's strong, it's cool, it moves, and yeah, tune in. Ready?
What's that?
I will work behind the elf. I will do it. Particularly injectable powder in the human body all day, every day. I realize are not just standing on the table. That's all it is. Yes, I'm starving and my family has no clothing or shelter, but I'm not. Hurry up! English 45? You don't have anything higher? Wait, Mercury? Know what Bob is? Know enough to stay away from it.
Hey pals! Alright, the Ferris wheel is finished. This is what it looks like. Let's turn it a little bit. Marv, what do you think? Cap, step up. It's raining outside, so Cap's trying to look at the rain. Look. It turns. Yeah, what do you think? It's pretty neat. A lot of cool details on this thing. And the one that I made in particular, it's on a Mills plate. So it's on 4 Mills plates. Very, very strong. Look at that. It's pretty cool. Okay, hey pals, we are back in the pal room. And you guys are going to have a little quick glimpse of the Lego City, what we have going on so far. So if you follow the camera past the McAllister house, past the Simpsons house, past the Crystal Palace, the Breaking Bad RV, then you have the Ferris wheel. And next to the Ferris wheel is our Quickie Mart with our parking lot. That's not quite finished, but yeah, that's where we're going to put the Ferris wheel for now. And we're going to add some trees and some walkways and stuff, and obviously some minifigures everywhere. So that'll be, yeah. I don't know if I'm going to keep the Quickie Mart there, but we'll see how it goes. This is a little glimpse of what we have going on after. And yeah. All right. So thank you guys for watching. We will see you next time.